Hello there, beauty ravers, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Raven, and this is where I like to rave about beauty. If you would ever so kindly hit that like and subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, it means so much to me. Now, without further ado, let's jump on into the video. Hi guys, and happy March! Today we are unboxing March Boxycharm box, and I'm excited because I did pick my choice item this month, and it's a good one, so let's jump on into it. Just gonna open her up. Hello, Charmers! I always love doing that. Anyway, let's see what we got. We have this card right here, and we got some St. Patrick's Day goodness going on. I can see the 4-leaf clovers. And yeah, I'm not going to read this because I don't like spoilers, but we're just going to hop on into the box anyway. And starting with the first thing here, let's see. Oh, it's gonna do it again. So after my fire alarm randomly going off for 10 minutes for no reason, there's no fire, don't be alarmed. I was, and there's no need for that. We can finally now get into this box, starting with this. Let's see what it is. Okay, so the first thing I pull out is my choice item for the month, and this is by Glow Recipe. I have never tried Glow Recipe, but I'm very intrigued by them, and I cannot wait to try this out. This is their Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, calming, hydrating, and I'm excited because we all need some calming and hydrating features in our life. So let's see, what does this say? It says a soothing, lightweight daily moisturizer that resets, replenishes, and seals in a boost of lasting hydration for all skin types. Blended with banana, magnesium, turmeric, and cica, I think. The sweet souffle is your recipe for calmer, hydrated, healthy looking skin, and we all need that. We all want that. Or at least I do. And I'm excited. But I am going to open it up because it says banana. Let's hope it smells like it too, because bananas smell so good, guys. I love banana scented stuff. I really, I love bananas. I'm eating these banana chips that are covered in chocolate. Does that count as a fruit anymore because it's dosed in chocolate? I don't know. But it's a good time. Regardless, it's a good time. Oh, this is cute though. Okay, so this jar is absolutely adorable. Look at this adorable little jar that it comes in. Oh, it's so cute. And it's glass, so we love that. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Does it smell like bananas? Kinda. So it doesn't smell like the most amazing banana scent ever, but it is a very light scent. And I do like that, and I'm sure some of you might like that because I know that overly scented skincare sometimes can be bad for your skin or make you react. And I don't usually have an issue with like scented skincare, but this is very light fragrant. Hi, Editing Raven here. I just wanted to pop in really quick because I said that it had a very light scent, and this thing has a much stronger scent than I thought it did, because when you smell it in the jar, it's not that strong, but when you apply it to your face, it becomes a lot stronger. And I almost think it smells kind of like Jack Daniels, which is kind of weird, I know, but like a banana Jack Daniels. Now that sounds kind of good. I don't drink anymore, but if I did, that's kind of the move. But I just wanted to mention that because it's not a light scent, and I know that some people have problems with it, like I mentioned in the video. But yeah, so if you do have problems with heavy scented things, I'd probably steer away from this thing. Now let's see what our next item in the box is. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I don't know what it is, but there's avocados on it. Guys, there's avocados on it, and I love avocados. I mean, they're just so cute. But, oh, it's an eye mask. Okay, maybe, do I need this? I don't know, my best friend Amber loves avocados as well, and like, do I want to be a good friend and like gift this to her, or do I want to keep it? It's from the Beauty Crop. I've heard some good things about them. I don't know, but it's an eye mask. Okay, so hydrating eye mask comes with 3 individually wrapped masks. Hydrating, plumping, nourishing. Hero ingredients: avocado oil. Avocados are extremely rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which translates to happy, nourished skin. Chamomile. The anti-inflammatory extract soothes and reduces inflammation, as well as minimize puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Green tea promotes DNA repair within skin to keep skin looking young and fighting signs of aging. Licorice root fights wrinkles, brightens, soothes irritation, and conditions skin. Ideal for dehydrated under eyes, jet lag, late night, and early morning. Okay, I might gift this to her. I don't know yet, though. It is super duper cute just because of the avocados. They got me, let me be honest. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I need this. Next, we have this, and I don't know what it is, so let's figure it out. This is from Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, I'm almost out of this Revolution one. I've been using this for a while, and I'm, like, down to the very end of it. So this could be a good thing to have. I know I have a couple in my backups right now, but, you know, we can never have too many setting sprays. I mean, I'm sure you could have too many eventually, but regardless, I just did my setting spray decluttering. Actually, if you want to check that out, I'll link it in the cards, of course. But, let's see if I want to keep this one in my collection. Is it a dewy setting spray? Is it a matte setting spray? Let's find out some things about this setting spray. Besides the fact that it's rose water, which rose water is usually fine for me. It's not fine for my fiance, but I don't think he's going to be using makeup setting spray. So I think it'll be fine as long as it's not heavily scented, because it'll bother him if it is. Roses are said to carry the highest vibrational frequencies of any known natural substance on the planet. I actually did not know that. That's a fun fact. Okay. Set your intentions and your makeup with our aura-lifting, antioxidant-packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. Sounds good, but it's still not really telling me if it's a dewy setting spray or a matte setting spray, which is kind of, really, I don't know. But it is vegan, by the way. It is vegan, so that's cool. Let's open it. Maybe it says on the actual bottle. At the very least, we can see what it looks like. I love the orange. Like, I'm here for this hot Cheeto orange. I'm here for it. But it still does not tell me if it's dewy or not. I'm going to have to do some research on this before I open it, because I might just pop this in a giveaway, or I might keep it. We'll just have to see. If it's a matte setting spray, I'm probably going to let it go. If it's dewy, I'm going to keep it. And if I can't figure it out on the internet, then I'm just going to have to try it out for myself and I guess keep it. Because I need to know. I'm very intrigued. I must know about this rose water setting spray. Yes. Alright, so next we have this KAB or cab. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But I do have a blush palette from them, which is nice. Anyways, this is a lip oil. So interesting, right? Okay, so this is in the shade Honeydew. Oh my gosh. This thing is massive. This thing is huge. Okay, well, okay. The doe foot in there is huge too. I love it. If I like the formula on this, I'm going to love it because the size of this is amazing. I mean, I don't need this big of a thing. I like minis for a reason. I never will go through all of this probably. I don't know. Maybe not. Who am I to say, right? But this is a lip oil. That's basically all I know about it. The box tells me the ingredients, but it doesn't really tell me much besides that. It is cruelty-free though, so that's always a plus. Oh, it smells nice. It kind of smells like an orange tree or honeydew. Maybe that's what it's going for, but it's kind of like a fruity but like also floral scent. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's good. I like this. Okay, so I already have a lipstick on, so maybe not put it on there. It is just a clear oil. There's a slight tint. You're probably not going to see that. I don't know. I'm excited to use this, though. It smells good. So, yeah. And last, but certainly not least, we have the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. Guys, I'm honestly a little bit shook. I'm very, very happy to be holding this because this is my first ever Lime Crime eyeshadow palette. I know. Who am I? Because I honestly love Lime Crime because I've tried a lot of their products that I love. Their lip liners are really great. Their lip glosses, their lip glazes. Oh my goodness, I'm wearing one right now. So good. I have the shade Rosemary on. And what else? They have the Freckle Pen I like. I also have on their blush today. This is one of their software blushes in the shade Download. I love Lime Crime, okay? But for some reason, I have never tried their eyeshadow formula. I don't know why, because they actually have some pretty colorful stories that I really do enjoy. I just haven't bit the bullet myself to actually buy one. So having this in the box is a super big big plus for me, and I'm really excited to show you guys this. So this is what she looks like, a very beautiful cover. I really like that. And then this is the color story, and I'm gonna be honest, this is really pretty. It's not like the most powerful purple palette that I've seen, and maybe that's why I haven't bought this myself, but I am very excited to play with it, and I am very excited to swatch it for you guys right now. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so what's the verdict on those swatches? In my opinion, I think that they are very powdery. However, they are very soft and creamy to the touch. So I'm hoping that means they're going to blend very well, which I'm totally here for. And I don't mind if a shade is a little bit powdery. I'll just do my eyes first and you know whatnot. But this palette does seem really pretty. The pigment is definitely there, and I'm really excited to play with this on my eye. So now let's go through everything and see how much this total box values for. Alright, so starting off with the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. This retails for $38. And considering it's only 8 shades, that is a bit steep in my opinion. However, if this plays well on the eyes, I can kind of see why that would be $38. It feels like a pretty nice formula from the touch, although swatches don't mean everything. So don't be deceived. I'm definitely curious to see how this wears. So yeah, it is what it is, but I'm excited to play with it. Next we have the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer, and this retails for $39. So that's a pretty steep price tag as well for a moisturizer in my opinion. However, if it's a really good moisturizer, maybe it's worth it. I'm not really sure. I have a few high-end moisturizers in my collection, specifically my Glam Glow moisturizers. I know they're a little bit steep, but they are, in my opinion, worth it. So if this is like that, then I could maybe see it. So we'll just have to find out. Next is the Maven Beauty, and can we talk about it? I didn't mention it when I first opened it, but now looking at the name, if you replace the M with an R, it's me, guys. Hi, hello, it's your girl. I don't know why I'm like this. A little bit self-centered maybe. No, I'm kidding. But this is the Rosewater Setting Spray, and this retails for $22. A little bit steep in my opinion again, but if it's a really good setting spray, I could see it. There are high-end setting sprays that cost this and more. Just me personally, I usually don't spend more than $10 on a setting spray because for me, I don't really use a setting spray to make my makeup stay longer. I usually use them just to make my makeup melt into my skin a little bit more, and I like the cooling effect as well, but I don't think I need to spend a high-end ticket price tag to get that because usually they don't really make my makeup last all that much longer. It's usually about the same for me, but you never know, this might be a miracle setting spray. I usually don't leave my makeup on longer than 8 hours anyway, but you never know, some days are long events, you know, so maybe this will come in handy. We'll have to see. I'm gonna try and figure out if it's a matte or dewy setting spray first before I even open it. Next we have Cobb Cosmetics, or KAB, not really sure, but this is the lip oil, and this retails for $20. I would never spend $20 on this just because I would never spend $20 on any lip oil personally. To me, they're not colored, they're not really a necessity, and they're not really that special to warrant that price tag, but that's totally my opinion, and you can have a different one. That is your opinion to have. So let me know if you think that's a fair price. Then we have the Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask from the Beauty Crop, and these retail for $18. Again, I would not probably spend that on these. Not because they don't deserve that price tag. I really don't know what eye masks are supposed to be retailed for because I don't buy them. And that is why I would not spend that on these because I just don't think I need them. But who knows? Maybe they're going to be a game changer and just change my life entirely and I'll go back and purchase these again and again. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm even going to try them actually. I might gift them. But we're just gonna have to see. Honestly, with everything in this box, I think the prices are a little bit higher than I would typically spend on these types of products. But that does not mean I'm not excited to try them. And maybe in the future, I would be more willing to spend that on them because I would have tried them and figured out that I love them. That is the goal. That's always the goal. It's always the hope here. But we'll just have to wait and see, right? We're gonna see. But anyways, now let's figure out how much the overall box retails for. Just gonna pull out my trusty rusty calculator and add it all up because I don't know how to do math. Did I go to school? Who knows? So after using my trusty rusty calculator, the total box value comes to a shocking $137. That is really good considering I only spent $25 because this is the Boxy Base Box. And if you are not familiar with Boxycharm, Base Box is their starter box and it is $25 monthly. And that is the box that I have, the only box that I have. They also have Premium and Luxe, but I don't do those. I just stick with the basic. But I'm very excited to try these things. I think this box was a hit. Honestly, there's not really anything in here that I'm like, oh, I'm not going to use that. The eye masks, I'm like, on the fence. They're super cute because of the avocado theming. So I'm kind of like, okay, I can live with that, you know? So nothing in here to me was a fail, honestly. Again, I have to try these things because there might be some fails, who knows. But as far as my interest being piqued, I am very peaked. So I cannot wait to try these things. Let me know what you guys thought down below. Love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Do you have Boxycharm? Did you get a similar box? Did you get the exact box? Have you tried any of these items? Are you excited about this box? I want to hear it all from you guys. I love chatting with you guys. But that's going to wrap it up for me today. I hope we had some fun, and I hope you have a wonderful day and stay beautiful. Mwah.